Alright, my friends, this is Mr. Travis. I'm back for another video. As promised in our last video, we are going to be making paper airplanes. Perfect project for this rainy day. It is Monday, the 20th of April, and it's raining outside. And we're stuck in the house anyway. So we are going to be making paper airplanes. And a lot of you guys, a lot of the kids in my program don't really know how to make paper airplanes, but they love playing with them. So I am going to teach you how to make paper airplanes. I have several examples for you guys. This is just a regular paper airplane. This is a jet, or what we always called a jet when I was a kid. It's smaller, and it flies faster sometimes than these big airplanes. And you can do different things with it, like make different designs. I folded the wings on this one to give it a tip, and you can decorate them. See, I colored this one in blue, just made up a simple design. And I did this one in red. Again, I just made a simple design. I folded the wing tips again on this one. So for our project today, all you really need is paper. Unless you're going to decorate it, then you can possibly have some colored pencils or some markers. If you have them available. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to learn how to fold paper. If you're going to make an airplane, a big one like this, then you need to fold the paper vertically like this. This is not a required step, but it helps you with the rest of the folding that you're going to do. If you're going to make a jet or a small one like this, then you need to turn the paper horizontally, and first step, fold it like that, this way. So first we're going to start with the big one. So we're going to fold the paper in half. And again, this first step is not required. It just helps you. So see how I folded the paper in half a long way. Then we're going to open it up. And what you're going to do is take a corner and bring it down to the fold in the center. And you're going to do that for both sides. One side, I'll show you what it looks like that. Then the other side. So now it looks sort of like a house with a roof. So then we're going to fold it again. See how I folded it? So what I did was I brought this corner to the center, and creased it. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. And so it's going to look like this. And then you're going to turn it. You're going to fold it in half like that. And to make the wings, you fold the two flaps down. So what I did was took this flap and folded it down. That. And now we're going to do the other side. See how I folded it? I folded that side down as well. And then to get the wings, you just bring them back up. And now you have your paper airplane. And again, if you want to make the tips like this, you simply take edge of the wing and fold it up. I'll show you. I took the edge of the wing and folded it up. And I'm going to do the other side. And now you have your paper airplane. Now, if you want to decorate the wings, you just take a marker or a colored pencil and do some sort of design. And your wing is decorated. Now, if you want to decorate the whole plane, then you'll need to design and color it before you start folding the paper. And we'll talk about that later. But now let's do the jet. Remember, you have to turn the paper horizontally and then fold it in half. And we're going to do the same steps. You're going to bring the edge over to the folded line, to the middle line. First fold. Now the second fold. You have the house again. And again, we're going to take this and bring it to the center. And we're going to do that on both sides. Again, looks a little bit like a rocket. And then we're going to fold the paper in half again. Again, to make the wings, we're going to fold each flap back down, but not all the way to the middle crease, because our plane needs a body. And that's our body. And these are our wings. And there you have your jet. And some people, again, design the wings. Some fold the wing inward like that. And so when you unfold the plane, you have a flap up. You can do that on both sides. a jet. Now you can fold it at the back like I did here, or you can fold it at the side like I did with these. Or you can just leave it plain like this. Now, if you want to decorate your whole plane or jet, like I did with these, you first want to take your paper before you do any type of folding, and you're just gonna make your design all over the paper. Whatever kind of design it is, you can color it in, you can make wiggly lines like I just did. You can color in different portions and leave others just empty space. You can do whatever design you want. It can be as complicated or as easy as you want. It's your plane, so you can do whatever you want. So we're gonna do a plane again. So we're folding the paper in half the long way, and make sure your design is on the outside of the paper when you fold it. And then we're gonna open it like a book. And we're gonna bring the corner down to the center fold. That's one side. And we're gonna do the other side. Like that. Then we're gonna do the other fold. And both sides. Like that. And now we're gonna fold it in half. And we're gonna make the wings. So remember, you fold that's back, but not all the way down, because our plane still needs a body. And so when you open it back up, you have the body still and the wings. And depending on how much you decorate it, you can see that the plane is decorated all over. I'll show you the ones I did earlier, just as an example again. These are the ones I really worked on and made a design, just so you can see it. And again, you can do the tips on the wings if you want to, or you can just leave it as it is. And that is our tutorial on how to make paper airplanes. And those are just basic paper airplanes. I've seen some that are very complicated or more difficult than those. But those two are basic airplanes that I used to play with as a kid, growing up making paper airplanes. I will be back again with another craft project soon. So until next time, you guys have fun making the paper airplanes and playing with the paper airplanes. And I'll be back. Um, I'll be back soon. Have a good day, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Bye.